fake news has now become much more than just annoying inconvenience. And if it is related to healthcare, it often misinforms and misleads the public. These days, many claims of curing cancer are getting viral on social media that suggest that cancer can be cured by following some magical techniques. We will tell you how we identified that these magical cancer cures are fake. Hi, my name is Urvashi Kapoor and you are watching Vishwas News. In today's episode, the first story we'll be looking at is a post claiming that hot coconut water can kill cancer cells. The post further claimed that this news has been confirmed by Dr. Rajendra Badwe of Tata Memorial Hospital. This is a fake news and we'll tell you how we found that out. We started our investigation by searching whether the director of Tata Memorial Hospital has given any such statement. As per Tata Memorial Hospital, the viral message is fake and neither Dr. Badwe nor the hospital subscribe to this view. We also found a research on the website of US National Library of Medicine which stated that coconut water does have certain health benefits, but nowhere it has been mentioned that hot coconut water can kill cancer cells. On another research, we found that cytokinins found in coconut water are believed to have certain health-related properties. However, to date, no major studies have shown that coconut water wards off cancer. This claim has also been proven false by Dr. Manish Singhal, who is an oncologist at Indraprasth Apollo Hospital. So, hot coconut water cannot kill cancer cells. Moving on to story number 2, a viral post claims that blowing a balloon for 10 minutes daily can cure mouth cancer, lung cancer, heart attack and blockages. Vishwas News investigated and found that this claim is misleading. We contacted Dr. Ish Munjal, who is a general physician, and Dr. Manish Singhal, who is a cancer specialist. Both of them suggested that blowing balloons is just an exercise for improving lung function and capacity. It cannot cure cancer or heart-related diseases completely. We further investigated and found a report at the Journal of Lung, Pulmonary and Respiratory Research which stated that this exercise can improve respiratory disorders. Nowhere in the report has it been mentioned that blowing up balloons can cure mouth cancer, lung cancer or heart diseases completely. On further research, we found that the University of Colorado Cancer Center mentions about a device that requires blowing up a balloon and the profile of organic compounds in the person's breath would tell if they are at a risk of developing lung cancer. Nowhere in the report has it been mentioned that blowing a balloon can cure cancer. So, blowing a balloon for 10 minutes daily cannot cure cancer or heart diseases completely. It is just an exercise. Moving on to the last story of today's episode, a claim is getting viral that states that the tea made of papaya leaves can cure cancer in 60 to 90 days. And Balbir Singh Shekhawat, a government pharmacist, has confirmed it. The post also claims that researchers from Florida University also confirmed this remedy for cancer cure. Vishwas News investigated and found that the claim is false. In order to verify the validity of the claim, we contacted Dr. Harit Chaturvedi, who is an oncologist at Max Super Speciality Hospital, Dr. Manish Singhal, who is an oncologist at Indraprasth Apollo Hospital, Dr. Himanshu Verma, an Ayurvedic doctor, and Dr. Nikhil Agarwal, who is also an oncologist. All doctors shared that consuming tea made from papaya leaves cannot cure any type of cancer in 60 to 90 days. The post further claimed that Balbir Singh Shekhawat, who is currently serving as a government pharmacist, confirmed that tea made of papaya leaves can cure cancer. We contacted Balbir Singh directly and he said that he did not make any such statement. The post also claimed that researchers from Florida University have confirmed that papaya leaves can cure cancer completely. Upon investigation, we found that the claim is misleading and has been twisted from the original study. Some studies suggested that the experiment has been done using papaya extracts on laboratory cell structures and will be replicated in animal and human studies, which means the cancer treatment through papaya leaves have not been tested on humans. So, the news claiming that cancer can be cured completely by consuming papaya leaves is false. That's all for today's fact check. We'll meet you again in the next episode and we'll discuss more health-related fake news stories. Till then, keep watching Vishwas.News. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for more.